Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. As a part of this video, we'll understand what are candidate keys. As a part of the previous video, we understood what are the super keys. We understood candidate keys are derived from super keys. So candidate key is an attribute or a minimal set of attributes that can uniquely identify a tuple. In a way, candidate key is a super key with no redundant attributes. What exactly that means? We'll see that with an example. Table can have multiple candidate keys. And as we already have explained, we will select a primary key from a candidate key. As we said, we have a super key, which is a superset. And from that, we'll choose a candidate keys. And from that, we'll choose a primary key. In case of super keys, we may have a null values. But in case of candidate keys, we should not have null values. That is one of the important difference. Let us take an example here. This is our entity or a table. In this, let us identify all the super keys. Now, super keys are, we have an ID. You can see this ID or roll number. Okay, that is a super key. And we have a name, that is a super key. And we have a phone, that is a super key. And ID and name together can be a super key. And we have ID and phone can be a super key. And name and phone can be a super key. ID, phone, name together can be a super key. These are all the set of super keys. Now from this, which are the candidate keys? Remember, as we already discussed, candidate key is a super key with no redundant attribute. We should not have a redundant attribute. Let us check that out here. If you come here, these are the super keys. The candidate keys are ID, phone, and ID, phone together. But why can't name can be included as a part of the candidate keys? That is because name can have same values. For example, we have Priya. We may have one more Priya, or we have one more Ram. So we should not allow that to happen when we have a candidate keys. If you see here, ID need to be unique, phone number need to be unique, and also ID and phone number together is obviously unique key. Wonderful. We understood what are candidate keys and what is the process of identifying the candidate keys. Thank you.